Good morning, students. I am SK Tiwari, and today I am going to teach you class 7 mathematics of chapter 4 simple equations. Students, equation we have already learned in class 6, and once again I want to revise this one also. Any expressions over the equality sign, that is, equality is the condition of any expression, then that expression is called equation. That is, equation is a specific expression which have equality sign or condition of equality in both the sides. That is, it containing two sides. One is the left hand side and another is the right hand side. Students, in all these sides, that is in LHS and RHS, some variables and constant term will be existing. The terms which are existing in the left hand side, this is called LHS, and the terms which are existing in the right side, these are called right hand side. Condition is that in both the terms equality is essential for the equations. Students, TLO of this chapter, that is chapter 4 simple equation. First of all, I will discuss about some mind reading games. Second one is setting up of equations, and third one, that is solving an equation, and last fourth one will be some application related with daily life situation. There are 4 points. These are our targets for the learning. So students, first of all I want to discuss about some mind reading games. Suppose a teacher, suppose I am first day of the class to start chapter 4. I am coming in your class and calling two students, Radhika and Mohan, and asking that you tell something related with the algebra and expression, so that we can test your mind or test your mind yourself. That is, interaction of the students can take place to sharp up the minds. So Radhika asked one question, that is one by one given the chance. Radhika asked to Mohan that think a number, multiply by 4, add 2 on it, and you tell the final resultant. Question was, think a number, multiply by 4 and add 2. That is, what will be the result? Ask Radhika to the Mohan. Mohan tell that it is 14. Then Radhika tell that I can say that what was your number, and she tell that your number was 3. So all the class was surprised to listen and sing such type of mind setting games, and all have become very eager and with the enthusiastic situations. On such a way, one by one called, and they have given chance to ask the question by which this mind setting, that is sharpening of the mind, we can become. And students, how Radhika reached to this situation to find the number which was taken by Mohan. You think the resultant was 14 and that number was multiplied by 4 and added 2 in it. Obviously, if result has given, suppose the result is 14, so this 14 that should be subtracted by 2. Why? Because they have added. So Radhika subtracted 2 from the resultant and divided by 4. What will happen? 12 divided 4, that is resultant in 3 of taken number. So students, you can think that any number and that number was multiplied by 4 and added 2. So if 3 is multiplied by 4, we can get down 12, and we add 2, we can get down the result of 14. So this 14 will be subtracted 2 and divided 4, we can get down as 3. So by which one Radhika reached to the result? So students, please interact to your parents, interact to your classmates and find the result, that which type of such type of situation is arising and how we can reach to the point. Now you think about the setting of a equation. Same thing I may discuss here. Setting of equations, that is, think a number, suppose it is x, multiply by 4, add by 2. This is setting of number, that is result is 4x plus 2. This is the setting of equation. Students, third one we will discuss, that solving an equations. If any equation has given, how we can solve? So solving the equations, that is, there are two methods. One is the balancing equations by trial error method, and second one is transposing method. So trial and error method, you are seeing that one balance has shown. This is the one panel and this is the another balance. Suppose it is left hand side and this is right hand side. Equation is x minus 3 and here it is 7. So LHS is x minus 3 and RHS is 7. Students, we can put here equality. This can become an equation, that is x minus 3 is equal to 7. How we can find the solutions? By the trial error method, by the balancing both the panels, and if the both the pans of this beam balance will be equal, we can say that resultant we can get down. How we can use the trial error method? You see, if x is here, resultant is 7, we have to obtain 7. So obviously that number will be more than 3 because 3 is subtracting. So you can take here 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 13 minus 3 is equal to 10. So you can think about this one. This is the situation in which we can get down 7. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Obviously, if we can put the 10 at the place of x, we can get down 7. So its value will be 7. So this is the solutions of equation. Another is the transposing method, how we can obtain the solutions by transposing method. In this transposing method, suppose equation has given 2x minus 5 is equal to, suppose, 13. So what you will do about this one? Transposing means you have to change one side to the another side, that is, term of LHS will go in the RHS and we can get down the result. So for this one, very easy. First of all, you will do like this one, that is 2x minus 5, add the 5. This is 2x minus 0 is equal to 18. So 2x is equal to 18. Again divided by 2 in both the terms. So x can be obtained as 9. You put the values for the verification. If x is 9, so 2x minus 5. You have to obtain 2 into 9 minus 5. 9 to the 18 minus 5 is equal to 13. You can get down the same result. This is the right hand side. So students, very easily and very simpler we can find the result. Now some application related with daily life situations. You can think about any situation. Suppose any number, the mind reading game was there, like the same any situation has given. You set up the equations and after that you solve it by these two methods, that is balancing equations by the trial error methods or the transposing method. So students, I think very easily you can solve the questions of entire exercises, every questions by this concept. In spite of all those, you feel any kind of doubts, any kind of problems, any kind of queries, please most welcome, share to me. I will clarify your doubts, I will solve your problems. Thank you.